So I got my 1000 subscribers in just 24 hours. Yes, just 24 hours, guys, and I did it using YouTube Shorts. But here's the truth, you can post shorts every day and not reach 1000 subscribers because there's a right way that you're supposed to do it, and that's what I'm gonna share with you today in this video. Now, if you upload your shorts the wrong way, you will not get these results. So make sure you watch this video until the end, because I'll show you exactly what I did step by step, and I'll even show you my analytics as proof. So if you noticed, right now YouTube is pushing shorts more than long form videos, and almost every short that you upload has a higher chance of going viral compared to normal videos. So from my own experience, shorts bring in up to 3 times more subscribers than long form content, and that's why the fastest way to reach 1000 subscribers in 2026 is using YouTube Shorts. But this is if only you do it correctly. So let me show you proof. Okay, I opened a brand new YouTube channel just a few months ago, and one short alone gave me 1598 subscribers, and in fact by the 5th day it had reached 1720 subscribers, and that same short gave me 24,903 views. Okay, I was sending my channel link to my WhatsApp friends, my WhatsApp groups, Facebook friends, and I also did sub for sub, telling everybody to subscribe to my channel. But I still noticed that my subscriber counts were too slow, and the worst part is that it actually hurt my channel, because when you tell people to subscribe to your channel, they do because they don't want to like intimidate you or hurt you, but the same people don't watch your videos. So YouTube sees that as a bad signal and it stops pushing your videos, and that will automatically hurt your channel. And that's why organic subscribers are the best subscribers. Those are people who subscribe because they enjoy your content and not because you beg them to subscribe. So by the day before uploading this short that gave me 1500 subscribers in 24 hours, I had uploaded 2 other shorts. So this one short gave me 30,000 views, which is huge, but it only gave me 4 subscribers only. And this other one gave me 29,000 views, but it only gave me 10 subscribers only. So this shows you that views alone don't guarantee subscribers. So when I realized that my subscribers were not rising, I changed my strategy and it changed everything. So the method that worked for me is called Shorts Collab. And this is not just clipping long form videos into shorts. No, it's a powerful feature that allows your shorts to be shown to the same audience that already loved the short that you're doing a collab with. So now let me take you through the exact step-by-step process that I use. So go to YouTube and search for channels with millions of shorts views or viral shorts. So an example is lunablocks.us or prosperity.x. So for this short I used lunablocks.us. So open their channel and go to shorts and click on the popular shorts. So this is to see the shorts that got more views. So you can see like the first short has 16 million views and the next one has 10 million views. So find one short with most views and click on that short, and you see these options. So click on collab. So once it opens, click on this upper part and click on the timeline to extend this short to the end. Wait for it to process. So as we wait for it to process, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. So it's now done processing. So the next thing that you should do is mute the mic and then click on the record button and now start reacting to the short. So just do some facial expressions and don't talk because you've already muted the mic. So once you're done reacting, click on this check mark and click on next. So I forgot to say, before you click on collab, make sure you note down the same title and the same hashtags, because you will use the same title and the same hashtag to make YouTube push your short to the same audience that watched this same short. So now this is the step where you add the title, the same title and the same hashtags, and you can click on this pencil icon to change your thumbnail and make sure you put a catchy thumbnail. So now you can change your visibility to make it public or just schedule it. State whether it's made for kids or not, whether it has paid promotions and brands, altered content and all that. And once you're done with all these, click on upload short. So upload 5 to 6 shorts per day or even more. You can even do 10 and do it for 2 to 3 days consecutive, and I believe you'll see great results. Now, the reason why you should do 5 to 6 shots per day or even more is because 1 or 2 shots may go viral while others won't do well. But make sure whenever you upload, follow this same process. So that's all you need. Upload the right way and upload consistently. So here is an important warning. If the shots you're collaborating with are not related to your niche, just stop once you hit 2,000 subscribers. Please stop and start posting shots related to your actual content, and don't delete those old shots, because deleting shots will remove subscribers, so you can only unlist them. So my final advice is, don't chase subscribers. Just upload your content and let YouTube find your audience. So believe me, sub for sub doesn't work, and begging friends doesn't work too. So organic growth is the best growth. So if this method works for you, remember to come back and comment it worked. And if one shot doesn't work, don't stop, just keep uploading. I believe you'll hit your 1,000 subscribers faster than you think. And before you go, I recently uploaded a video about mistakes to avoid as a small YouTuber. So please watch it after this video and subscribe to my channel, and let's grow together. So my name is Carole. See you in the next video.